What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I'm tapping in, guys. I got a jam-packed video for you guys. Stock sold off today. We got to talk all about it. But before we do that, do me a favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into it. Okay, guys, really quick update. SPY, Apple, just about everything in the market went down today, broke through some key support levels on today. Guess what? The trend is your friend. The trend was down. Pick six season was in full effect. That means we simply bought puts to take advantage of the downward movement in the market. Guys, check this one out. Apple, 100 contracts on this one. This was a 172.5 put. Rolled this one down for a 12% return on today, okay? A base hit. Another one, guys, 50 contracts on this one. In the market, guys, if you follow these levels that we gonna call out this entire week, okay, you can also rinse and repeat a lot of that stuff, okay? If you don't want to rinse and repeat, just don't overstay your welcome, okay? Stocks won't just keep going in one direction for forever. Have a target you want to hit, lock in profits, guys, and call it a day. This one, I have 50 contracts on this one. 7% return on this one, guys. My average cost is 179. I got out at 192 just to have another base hit. Steadily getting my $100 a day. This play alone gets me all 5 days covered for this week. Guys, if you do $100 a day, just being content with that, you're gonna get around $3,000 a month. If you do like me and you get $1,000 a day, guys, you have $30,000 a month. And I'm talking about not over trading. I want you guys to simplify the game and trade the way that I trade. Go about your business the way that I go about my business, okay? If you do this, guys, and you stick to the script, you run the play we call in the huddle, I'm telling you, it can change your life. So I want to say major salute to those of you that did your thing today. Let's get ready to do it all again tomorrow. We don't care nothing about no crash. We don't care nothing about stocks selling off. We got a game plan for it all. That's the power of preparation, okay? You guys already know how I'm coming. I'm kicking it off on down days every single time with the SQQQ because I can't pound the table enough about what I keep preaching and teaching to you guys. Have this as an inverse correlation to your portfolio as a hedge and as protection. It is currently sitting at $21.10. At the high of the day, it was $21.30. It is up 4.5%. I want to say major salute to those of you that has added this as part of the mix and you see firsthand what I'm talking about. Guys, I'm taking you under the hood today. Check this one out, guys. I'm getting a dividend on this one. So on top of the 10 to 20% a monthly gain you get in this, then they got the audacity to give your boy a dividend. So I already have my dividend stocks. This is just icing on the cake on top of, look at all the income streams. All of my dividend plays, my daily options between $1,000 and $2,000 off a couple trades, and then the dividend payouts, guys. This one brought in $218.76. This was on 675 shares. I keep between 1,000 shares and 500 shares of this. And guys, I just rinse and repeat. Once it get to $21, $22, sell it, rebuy it again, run it up, another 20%, sell it, rebuy it again. I put the money, now I'm getting dividends on this, but I'm gonna put the money into Verizon, buy more SoFi if that's in our buy zone. I'm going to buy Altria. I'm going to buy Maine. I'm going to buy Capital Southwest, and my dividend plays VTI, STHD. You guys know the game by now, okay? I just wanted to share this with you. Again, you can't ask for a better vehicle to do your thing in. You get the appreciation on the down days in the market, and your boy is getting a dividend kickback, okay? On the week, this one is up 12%. This is the kind of stuff I'm trying to tell you. Imagine if you got 100,000 in here, 50,000 in here, and you're getting 12% in a week. Your bank won't do that, okay? I'm just trying to teach you guys little tricks of the trade so you can become better investors and traders, okay? Check this one out. SPY, ticker symbol SPY, sitting at 425.95. It was down almost 1.5% on the day, and it broke our 428 support level. 430 to 428/427 was operating as support. Let's go ahead and walk through this because you need to see that support can be broken. It tested it here at 1020. Okay, it opened the day at 429, 430. Shout out to everybody that took advantage and made money in this in either direction. Okay, we ran up to 430. We got rejected at 430. Okay, we came down to support at 427. We bounced to 428. All of this is still within support, guys, but support turns into resistance once the level is broken. Okay, we fell down to 426. We built the base a little bit, so look out for that level tomorrow. Okay, and then we ran up to 427 again, still trying to, now what was once support is turning into resistance. We got rejected at 427 and we took the ride all the way down here to 425. Okay, so just a real quick lesson. Once support is broken, it turns into resistance. Our support was 427 to 430, that whole range. Okay, those levels now are resistance because we're under it. Okay, so tomorrow on a up move, look for 426 and 427 to be tested, but to operate as resistance. So look for rejection. That's what I'm trying to say, especially if we have another sell-off day like we did today. Okay, and then listen to this. If we go down further, write this down so you know your levels. Okay, if we break down further, okay, you got 421 and 420 is coming in hot if we keep going down. If we don't go down, we bounce to the upside, look for 427, look to recapture 430. But I'm saying if we go down, I want you guys to look for 421, 420. Remember, you heard it here first. Okay, check this one out. Tesla, this is probably one did the best of all out of today. Tesla and Nvidia sitting only down 1%, sitting at 243.82 at the time of this, but most of the day, guys, it was doing its thing, hit the levels we talked about and called out today, 248, 249, but it made a double top. That told me already, get ready for put season, pick six season. When you see a double top, stock is coming down. Okay, it did that and came all the way down to 243, but now we got a triple bottom down here. 1, 2, 3. Don't rule out if this support level hold up. Don't rule out a test or retest of 249 again, 248. Okay, it's possible, but react to what you see. Don't guess, don't front run, don't do none of that. React. Okay, but Tesla did the best out of today, guys. Ran up, did its thing, held up here as long as it could before it eventually fell down. We got some levels to try to recapture. First things first will be 244 ish on tomorrow, that 244, 245 level. All right, Apple got smacked today. It lost that 174 support level, and it is now sitting and closed down here at 172.13. It was down over 2% on the day. Again, Apple has support at 171. Look at this. They went and tested it. 171.76, 171.74. Okay, and boom, it bounced off of that level and started going back to the 172s. Guys, this got an uphill battle. 173 we couldn't get back above. 172.64 will be a level we may try to test on tomorrow. Watch for rejection at that level. Check this out, guys. Some stocks you need to be buying if you rock with your boy. Okay, long-term investors, those that are about building real wealth, trying to get off the corporate plantation. SCHD, this little pop-up is a fluke, but it was down here at 70, and you guys know we get busy in the 70s. Okay, I want to see you guys buy as much of this as you can down here at these levels. Okay, 70 and below. 69 is even better. All right, load up, build this out, collect that dividend. Okay, SoFi sitting at $7.42. It was down 1.4% on the day. The ticker symbol on this one is XOFI. It was still being stuck down here. 739 was a low. Watch this. 738. Pay attention to those things. Do not just blow past those. It's not coincidence that you see those levels in pre-market and you see them in live market, okay? Check this out, guys. Under $8, you can be building out your SoFi position, okay? This is the healthy pullback. This is a pullback in a bull market. You want to make sure you're doing the work so that you get in here. When we go back to $9, when we go back to $10 and $12, you put in the work, you got your 125 shares or your 1,000 shares down here in the trenches, okay? And if it go lower, you scoop up more, but make sure you know and you're managing your risk, know where you want to have your stop loss at if you want to have that on. But long story short, keep doing your thing, keep building this out. This guy's plenty room to run. This is all healthy, okay? For the week, this one is down 15%. We done fell all the way from a high of 876. So when we get ready to run back up, look for those levels to be tested, okay? You got lots of money to be made, at least 15% on the low end, that this is gonna make you do the work while it's down in the dumps, okay? With that being said, you got Verizon as well as all other dividend plays are great buys right now from a price action standpoint. Do the work, scoop up what you can. Make sure you're building out your passive income, okay? Listen, guys, I just want to put this on you today, give you the levels for the SPY to look out for tomorrow, okay? Get in the Discord first thing, because I'll let you know about SPY as well as Tesla based on what pre-market has shown us. And then, guys, I expect you to go to work. Keep execution at a premium. Keep executing at an all-time high level. Let's keep making money, guys. Major salute to those that did everything today. Listen, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.